Skilla here again, everybody. Good evening, you know the thing go. How many of you guys have ever been to a night, right? That's probably one of the biggest part of Jamaica culture that had been kept. You know, well, not so kept because some of the things are missing in, like Budonga Money Well Road, Galang Boy, Figo Broke Rockstone, you know them things. That is kind of missing from it. But however, it's like night have a new twist. You know, there's something different heading to nights nowadays. Nowadays, night is like a dance. So observe, see for yourself. So you see what I'm trying to say, right? That's new, you know, and it's different. Anyways, after the night, there is always a man drunk, stiff stone drunk in the morning, like can't even find himself. You understand what I'm saying? Now, this is not Jamaica per se, you know, just get my point. I'm trying to show you something else. However, this is a footage of a man that is so drunk. Observe. This man was so drunk, even the cameraman seems drunk. You understand? I mean, the camera is just shaking all over the place, staggering, just like the man. You know what I'm saying? And I have a feeling that this man, he was trying to bring this man home and just decided to let him go and catch a clip. That's not right. Don't do that again, man. You understand? Anyways, always leave a comment, let me know what you think, right? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to know what's going on in and around Jamaica, the world, and on Skilla's Entertainment, right? My name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.